Market was going down. During this downside direction, sell call generated, red candle open. Likewise, yesterday after 2 o'clock, before 1 hour of market closing, a buy call started, green color candle open. That buy call momentum today follow up to today 11:20 a.m. Okay, so after 11:20 the trend changed, a breakout happened. So sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, in this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal. So green signal means it's a bullish momentum. Red signal, red color candles means it's a downside direction. From open point, the candle color, trend all are fixed. Okay, so today that open point is the entry point. That straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Sell at 45,490. Today means it's a Tuesday market, February 13. Today first call, this 11:20 a.m. first sell call. Okay, so this call started at 490. The first target range is more than a 100-point target. Below red color lines are target line, target 1, target 2. Above line is the stop loss line. So daily basis in live market, you will get calls automatically. Like you are watching the video right now. So like this, you are going to watch this chart on your computer on daily basis. From this chart, you will get calls, signals. So from using this entry signal, you can do manual trade in your broker account, as well as you can do auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. For more plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. In 10 minutes of sell call generator, market sudden movement. During this time, it strongly break out a 100-point downside direction. So from 490, it break out 390. And after a volatile, after a up and down movement, it break out the first target range, because the first target is more than a 110-point target. Okay, if you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.